Audio Jungle.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back on my channel, Crypto Victoria. So, guys, here is another exciting review for my crypto viewers, for my audience. So, I have to say that I hope you are doing very well. Yes, guys, here is I am talking about MEXC exchange. This is my third review about here. I will tell you about how you can buy crypto via Google Pay app or through Apple. So you have to stay connected with me till last of the video. I will explain each and everything about how you can join, and I have placed all of the official links in my video description. You can simply click and you can join, guys. So let's go. Here is I have to say that if you are new on my channel Crypto Victoria, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming amazing videos notification. As you know that Victoria always come with an amazing and very exciting review for my crypto audience. So guys, let's go. And here is welcome to guys all of my MEXC exchange crypto trader that have joined. And guys, here is our today article is that how you have to buy crypto via Google Pay and Apple Pay on MEXC. So here is the each and everything about our platform, our trading guidelines is I will explain you. And guys, I have to say that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. I am not responsible for your any profit or loss. As I tell you that I have already give you about a detailed review about MEXC, how you can sign up or log in, and which trading you can do right here now. Like sport trading, future trading, or copy trading, it's on to you, which you have to select and which you have to join. So guys, now let's proceed further. We have to go, and here you can go and you can do yeah guys, trading like a future trading. It's on to you which currency you have to go, like BTC, USDT, Ethereum USDT, or Ether. It's on to you. So here you have to join. Here you have to buy crypto by here Google Pay or Apple Pay, and on MEXC exchange. And here I will guide you how you have to buy. This is very easy and very simple, guys. Firstly, you have to do just KYC, your verification. And guys, without KYC verification, you can't purchase. This is a very compulsory step before going to buy this crypto. You have to do your KYC verification, guys. And here you have to go on our app, and like MEXC, you have to download on your Android. And then guys, you have to go to just click on the deposits. As just you click on deposit, then you have to just guys, here you can check out on chain deposit, P2P trading. Guys, you have to go on quick buy and sell. The after deposit click, you have to go and you have to click on quick buy and sell. And after that, guys, here you have to just select your payment, like which you have to purchase, and you have to put your amount, and you have to select your currency, like your USDT, Ethereum. And then you have to put your amount, total amount, how much you want to buy. It's on to you. And after that, guys, you have to go on for selection, like you have to choose Apple Pay or Google Pay. It's on to you. And then you have to confirm your payment method. You have to select on confirm. Here you can also check out on my screen, and later I will also show you, I want to show you on my Android screen where I will go and I will also buy here, and I also check out to you. Then guys, you have to go, you have to before confirm, you have to check, you have to put all of your detail completely carefully. You have to do no mistake here. And then you have to confirm your order. Before that, you have to check your detail carefully once. Then you have to go and then you have to click on confirm. So this is very easy. And here are some information you have to also put here, like from which country you belong, what's your contact number, what's your residence. And you have to complete some questions. You have to put there your answers. And then you have to go on your bank card, and you have to click your transactions via through Google Pay or Apple Pay. And after that, if it completed, then you will receive a transaction in progress, and you can check out your notification. It will be on your Android. And And guys, you have to not refresh the page after confirmation of the payment, and then you have to wait for a while, for a seconds, because it takes few seconds. And as you can check out, you can see like this transaction in progress, or you will receive your asset within a few seconds. As I tell you, it takes a few seconds, so don't need to be hurry, or in you have to just wait for a while. And guys, you have to, here are some popular articles on MEXC. You have to check here, and all crypto updates is also available on our exchange. And you can also check out all of the trending news related articles. Each and everything is here. And now guys, I want to show you our Android screen, where I will tell you about this method by practically, which I speak here. Now I want to show you on my screen, so let's go on Android screen. So guys, here you have to go on your Android, and you have to download our app MEXC. Then you have to go on your app, and you have to just click on deposit. Here you can see that I have also click. After that, you have to select your deposit method, like on chain deposit, P2P trading, buy and sell. Guys, after clicking on deposit, you have to choose your method, like I have to click on quick buy and sell. Here you have to select your method. This is very easy and very simple method, guys. After clicking on deposit, then you have to go and you have to click on buy and sell. Here you have to buy which currency it's on to you, like EUR, USDC, and Ethereum. It's on to you. As you can see that I have selected on USDC, so you can select your currency. And after that, after selecting right that which how much you have to just buy, here you have to put your amount right here. Now here you have to click on deposit. After that, you have to click on buy and sell. Here you have to select your currency, like I have select USDT. And then after, guys, you have to put your amount right here now, how, and after that you have to put your amount, and then you have to go on payment method. Here you have to select your payment method, like Google Pay or Apple Pay. And after that, if you go, you have to select your payment. And before confirming that, guys, you have to just some put your information right here. Now you have to put your, guys, see you next video. Thanks for watching.